So we do want to show you some real-world applicable ways that you can think about surfaces. One of those is, let's start with surfaces from the Da-Lite line that are able to produce resolution, as in like a 1080p, WUXGA, 4K, and higher resolution, as well as the color fidelity side of the equation, that chromaticity, color shift, contrast ratio section that we were just talking about. So anything that's on the HD progressive line is going to be able to accommodate that for your designs. There are 5 variations of this type of surface, and the variations are mostly due to color and gain structure. So something like an HD progressive 0.6 is a gray surface. A gray surface will naturally produce a better contrast ratio, as we just discussed. But for chromaticity purposes, a gray surface will not produce the red exactly the way we want the red to be done, because you're adding gray into that color. That's where you would want something more like the HD progressive 1.1, which is a true white surface. So some of this ends up becoming your personal situation, your understanding of what your client needs, or your understanding of how you want the design to be structured, whether you need to have something that is a little bit better with contrast ratio, or a little bit better with color, or something like the 0.9, something in between. So does that make sense in terms of kind of how your thought process would go here in terms of the surfaces?